Imagine a business that never sleeps, providing customer service around the clock. Welcome to the future of customer support. Today, you'll learn how to build a 24-hour customer service system that never takes breaks, never forgets a script, and never complains about overtime. If you've ever run an online store, you know how repetitive customer questions can get. What's the refund policy? Is this product still in stock? How fast is shipping? Most small businesses can't afford a full-time support team. But with AI, you can automate these tasks with these essential, free or low-cost tools. You'll use ChatGPT or Chatbase to train your chatbot on your FAQ page. Then, Zapier or Make.com will connect the bot to your forms and emails. For live chat, consider Tidio, Crisp, or Intercom AI. And to log conversations, Google Sheets or Notion work wonders. These 4 tools create a full customer support team, even if it's just you. First, gather all your FAQs, product descriptions, shipping details, and refund policies. Feed this data into ChatGPT and ask it to summarize the information into friendly, conversational responses. Next, upload those answers into your chatbot tool, like Chatbase or Tidio. Give your bot a name that fits your brand, like Aiden from Purposefully AI Support. Now, use Zapier to forward unanswered messages to your email or Slack. Set triggers. If refund is mentioned, send the policy. If talk to a person, ping you directly. Finally, deploy your chatbot everywhere, your website, Instagram DMs, or Shopify store. It will greet every visitor, day or night, with helpful answers and forward the tricky ones to you. Here's where it gets really fun. Once your own bot is working flawlessly, you can clone it for others. Offer an AI support setup service to small businesses. Charge $200 to $500 for each setup, providing them 24/7 support while you gain recurring income. Since it's all automated, you can handle multiple clients simultaneously. Add optional upgrades like payment confirmations or lead capture right inside the chatbot. That's income on autopilot. In a few short hours, you'll have an AI bot that answers questions all day, a lead capture system that never sleeps, and a business model that scales without hiring anyone. That's the power of working with AI.